Hi, I'm Iqbal, and today's lesson is about using the present continuous for the future. We use the present continuous for the future when we talk about our plans. So let's find out more. Here's my diary. Let's see what I have to do this week. I am attending a meeting at 3 p.m. on Monday. Let's focus on the sentence and the timeline. In my diary, there is a meeting scheduled for Monday at 3 p.m. I am attending this meeting and it is in the future. Let's answer the questions together. Is the meeting in the present or the future? Future. Is this a definite arrangement? Yes. Is the meeting in my diary? Yes. So, what is the present continuous for the future and when do we use it? The present continuous for the future is used to talk about future arrangements. These arrangements can be meetings or events that will happen at a specific time in the future. We use the present continuous for the future to talk about appointments in our schedule, timetable, or diary. Let's look at another example from my diary. I am having a business lunch at 1 p.m. on Tuesday. Based on my diary, I'm having a business lunch. It's on Tuesday at 1 p.m. It's planned and it's in the future. Let's move on. How can you construct a sentence using the present continuous for the future? Let's take a look at the first example again. I am attending a meeting at 3 p.m. on Monday. We start the sentence with a subject, which is the pronoun I, followed by the helping verb to be, which is am in the present form. After that is the ing form of the verb attend. To make the ing form of a verb, you add ing to the base form of the verb. For example, attend changes to attending. What about the different forms of the present continuous for the future? Let's start with the singular forms. In the table, you can see the subject pronouns, which are I, you, he, she, and it. The subject pronoun is followed by the helping verb to be. There are three forms of to be, and they are am, are, and is. The helping verb is followed by the ing form of the verb. Let's go over the forms quickly. I am attending. You are attending. He is attending. She is attending. It is attending. Let's look at some examples. You are visiting Uncle Joe on Saturday at 3. Jeff is leaving for Malaga at 5 p.m. on Thursday. What about the plural form of the present continuous for the future? Let's take a look. In the table, you can see the subject pronouns we, you, and they, followed by the helping verb to be. The helping verb is followed by the ing form of the verb. Let's check the forms. We are attending. You are attending. They are attending. Here are a few examples. We are meeting the teacher at 5 p.m. on Friday. They are eating at the restaurant at 8 p.m. on Tuesday. In spoken English, we use the short form. Let's focus on the short form. I am becomes I'm. So you remove the A and replace it with an apostrophe and M. For you, we and they, you use your, where and their. He becomes he's, so you remove the I and replace it with an apostrophe and S. The same applies for she and it. They become she's and its. Let's look at the forms quickly. I'm attending. You're attending. He's, she's, it's attending. Where, you're, they're attending. Here are some examples. He's collecting the kids at 3:30 on Thursday. We're flying to Paris on Sunday at 8 a.m. What about the negative form of the present continuous for the future? For example, I am not attending the meeting at 3 p.m. From the example, you can see that we add not before the ing form of the verb. In the table, you can see how to make the negative form of the present continuous for the future. Let's have a look at the forms. I am not attending. You are not attending. He, she, it is not attending. We are not attending. You are not attending. They are not attending. Let's have a quick look at the negative short form of the present continuous for the future. Let's check the forms quickly. I'm not attending. You're not attending. He's, she's, it's not attending. Where, you're, there, not attending. You can also say you, we and they aren't instead of you're not. And you can also say he, she and it isn't instead of he's not. Let's look at some examples. I'm not having dinner with Sam at 9 p.m. on Friday. She's not sending the report at 5 p.m. today. Now you know how to use the present continuous for the future. Today we reviewed what is the present continuous for the future, when can you use the present continuous for the future, and using the singular, plural and negative forms. Thanks for watching today. See you later. Bye.